Hey guys, welcome to BLONITY. First, my little disclaimer. You can see it here. Please be aware that I'm holding a diverse portfolio of crypto stocks. Let's jump right into it. First of all, it's still hard to be a crypto stock investor, or in general, crypto mining stock investor right now. We're still caught in this 3-month-long downtrend here for Bitcoin. So far, no breakout. Yesterday, I looked a little bit better, but then we got rejected again on this downtrend here. The good news is here the MACD on the weekly. The first smaller candle so far, but the week is not over. So this can change again tomorrow when we have the unemployment numbers from the US or so. Then we can maybe see upside or downside even more. So no one knows for sure. Also Ethereum still in big red here in this big correction so far. So what about the miners? Core Scientific is performing well since that big drop here is recovering stronger than others. We have Mara still down here, but also here the first candle, which is less big. Riot, same picture. We have Hashrate. Oh, this is already the second week here with the smaller candle here on the MACD. Maybe this can help a little bit. Also, we have some upwards momentum here in the second week. So let's go to the Heikin Aishi candles. The week is not over, so this candle can still close red, but that would be a first sign of a potential reversal here. Let's go to Argo, also still in this downtrend, but today in green, surprisingly. We have Hive, still the downtrend here. MACD looks a little bit better. We have Bitfarms, that's interesting. Also a big downtrend here, and also MACD not crossing, not turning around here a little bit. Okay, so then we have DigiHost. We bounce from this support line here. And DMG, we're still waiting for the financials. Not good for DMG, for the investors. I really don't like this. Tokens.com here, and DeFi technologies. Maybe they can break out here soon, who knows, but I think we have to wait for the macro. It seems like it's all dependent on, all the markets are correlated, and for Bitcoin, the Nasdaq is very important, and of course for the mining stocks. The Nasdaq is down 2.2% today because one of the reasons is Meta, or former Facebook. They released their financials and they were not good. Markets don't like it. So we have to see whether we can recover here on the Nasdaq or we drop even lower, because that could lead to another drop in Bitcoin and the stocks, of course. We got some mining operational updates from Hashrate. They have 5,826 BTC on the hodl, so it's only growing. What's interesting, approximately 16% of their 308 Bitcoin, so good results here, or 9.93 Bitcoin per day. Approximately 16% were mined with their GPU fleet at the cost of 2,600 Canadian dollar per Bitcoin on electricity, so they're very electricity efficient. The installed capacity sits right now at 2.36 exahash, so from 2 end of December to 2.36, so that's a big increase here. That's very nice. They also installed new miners, 6,317 microBTs and M31S. They're replacing these older Bitfury Clarks, I think in Medicine Hat maybe, or in Drumheller. And they're building the new facility in North Bay, Ontario. And racking is expected to commence later in February 2022. So hopefully we get the first Bitcoins from this new facility there in Q1. That would be nice, of course. Let's move on. We have Bitfarms. Bitfarms is now at 116 megawatt. They have now the 10 megawatt Paraguay facility online. Goal is of course still 8 exahash at the end of this year. They mine 301 BTC, so a little bit less than Hashrate. Yeah, so right now 2.3 exahash, 301 BTC per month. Yeah, and they have now 4,600 BTC in custody because they purchased in January 1,000 BTC. Yeah, so these are the Bitfarm news from DMG blockchain. They mined 65 Bitcoin in January, which is a good result, or more than 2 daily average. Hashrate is now 500 petahash, and they added new miners. But that doesn't help because they're not filing at time with the financials, and I think that's why the stock is crushed even more than the others. So that's more important now to get the financials out. Mike Wainwright tweeted about Argo, 2 pictures from January 17th and now, so we can see the air coolers here were only a few. Now they're approximately maybe 10 or even more. And yeah, it's growing. Also interesting news is the Valkyria Bitcoin miners ETF. Yeah, they filed at the SEC to make this miner ETF. The total expense ratio will be 0.75%. And the top 10 holdings are, so the top 2 holdings are Argo and Bitfarms, each with 10%, CleanSpark and Hive with 9%, Stronghold with 8%, BitDigital, DigiHost, DMG, Mara, and Power Digital Infrastructure with 4%. What is interesting, in the top 10 category, we cannot see Hashrate or Riot. So maybe they have smaller allocations or they will include it later. I don't know exactly why, because they should not miss here, of course. Let's go to the hash rate. It's 192 exahash right now. So we're at this 200 exahash level. The Bitcoin difficulty will be adjusted in the next hours, as I'm aware of, slightly negative. It doesn't work here right now, so let's leave it for now. The hash price is at the levels of the summer 2021 corrections at 18 cents per day per terahash. Hopefully this gives support, but of course we need Bitcoin for this. So let's compare the numbers here for the 3. They already reported some operational results. Bitfarms 301, HUD 308, and DMG 65. So Hashrate a little bit better than Bitfarms. I talked to Ben from Bitfarms yesterday. He said they have grid curtailments in January because it was very cold, and at some peak hours they had to shut down, and the city took the electricity, as I'm aware of. This is a normal thing, and it's a good interaction between the miners and the city and the utility and the grid operators. So he does not expect it to be continued. So that's why the output difficulty adjusted was at approximately minus 12%. For HUD plus 17%, which is very good, and DMG plus 2.5%. Installed hash rate, for Bitfarms from 2.2 to 2.3, HUD from 2 to 236, and DMG from 0.42 to 0.5 exahash. Bitcoin mined per installed exahash in January. So Bitfarms 134, HUD 141, and DMG also 141, or per day per installed exahash, 4.3 for Bitfarms, 4.5 for HUD, and for DMG 4.52. In terms of valuation, Bitcoin mined per $1 billion market cap, it's for Bitfarms 430, for HUD 342, and for DMG 811, which is insane. We have the HODL, Bitfarms 4,600, and Hashrate 5,826. So these are the results of these companies. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin close to zero, close to green. Hopefully we can close in green today. Hopefully we can make this MACD here getting closer to the green area in the next few weeks. And we will see. We will see where this is going. Hopefully not in the bear market. Hopefully we're bottoming out here at this level and move up again. No one knows for sure. It depends highly on the Fed, what they're doing, what the geopolitical stuff is happening with Putin, Ukraine, and so on. With inflation, of course, on February 10th, we get the CPI for the US for January. So this should have, again, an impact, positive or negative. And then up in March, the rate hikes, the potential rate hikes. Yeah, so this is a very exciting times, I think. Yeah, we'll see where this is going. Okay, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.